saw us start a couple weeks ago. We started doing this by hand, and it's a lot of work for the area that we want to get done. So we nicely went and rented a light duty tiller. So we have this tiller that hopefully will help us till this area up so it's super soft ground, so all we have to do is shovel it and move it. And right now I'm soaking it. It's a little dry in some areas, so putting some water on it. Hopefully it'll soak in by the time we work our way there. It'll make the ground a little bit softer, a little bit easier to till up. But we're gonna get this thing started and see what it will do for us. So figured out where the clutch was on it. It works fantastic now. So 10 wheelbarrows of dirt, and it barely looks like I did anything. But the problem is, this dirt in this area, this grass as you see it back there, is about 6 to 8 inches higher than the concrete. And we have to go 4 inches, roughly, below that. Really, we need to do that at this area. Here, we're going to make it a little bit higher because we want the water to slope down and down the driveway. So it's going to kind of have a kind of taper to it, but along this front we need to be 4 inches down below this concrete so we can pour correctly. It's a lot of dirt, guys, and this little guy has been working overtime here, but we've been going through so many roots. If you see that, that's the pile of roots that we keep hitting as we're going. So I get about like 2 or 3 inches down, clean it off, wheelbarrow it back, and we go to till again, and we hit more roots. So we got to dig the roots up, cut them out, and work our way all the way down. But we are slowly getting there. So let's keep going, keep tilling. Just so you know, this is what I'm dealing with. Our roots this size through the whole thing. There used to be a pecan tree there that died years ago. Probably 6 or 7 years ago. And these are the roots that are left over from that. And it is just a massive undertaking. We got this far. So, as you can see, it's raining, and it's been raining for about 30 minutes now, and our hole that we are digging down 4 inches is now filling with water. But at least we know where the high spots are that we got to take out. But we only have this for today, and if this doesn't stop raining and we can't get back to working, we are going to be slightly screwed. Come on, kitten. Come on. So, all we can hope is that it's going to... Come on, baby. It's going to stop raining here a little bit. This will soak up, I guess. I hope. And then we'll be able to use this to dig up, I guess, the mud that is left. But, yeah. So, we are kind of stuck. But you can see... This area is almost done. That area is still high. So we need to dig that up a little bit more in that little high spot. But a lot of this stuff we can also level off, because you can see we got some really low spots, so we can eventually level it off. But we want to be able to use this and get all our tilling that we need done today, so we can take this thing back. But yeah, we will see what happens if this rain will stop or not. So guys, the rain has ended us for today, so this is the end of this video. So you saw us start and we tilled and we got everything down. As you can see, we got it pretty deep. There's still going to be some high spots, but the rain has foiled us for today, so we are done. We are going to take this back. We already cleaned it all up. I'm going to take that back. I'm going to go shower real quick, and then I'm going to take that back to Home Depot, because we got to have it back before 8 o'clock. And I am done. So guys, thanks for watching this video. It was not as I planned, but it is what it is. We are going to be back on the M3 next video, hopefully, or this, I don't know, depending on what the rain does. But we're balancing the ITBs on this right now, so I'm going to show you and do a walkthrough on that stuff for next video. So stay tuned, like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you next time.